Hi students, this is Mahima Gupta and this is our chapter 3rd and the name is Computer Keyboard and Mouse. We had already completed our previous two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. So this is the third one. So let's start with this chapter. This is our first slide. Various types of keys on keyboard. In this chapter we are mainly going to study about the keyboard and mouse. So this is the chapter about these two devices. Now, what is the meaning of keyboard? Keyboard is a part of computer used for typing. The small buttons on it are called as keys. Okay. As we know, keyboard is a type of input device, है ना, which is used for inputting the informations into the computer, है ना, for processing. So for this purpose, a keyboard is used, and it is used for typing. The small buttons we can see, there will be so many buttons on that particular device. Those are called as keys. So these are the various types of keys. So five different types of keys are these. Okay, so let's study about them. The first one is alphabet key, number key, then function key, cursor keys, and these are special keys. So we are going to study about these five types of keys on a keyboard. So let's move to the next slide. So in this picture you can see this is a keyboard. Okay, this is a keyboard, and these keys, these orange color keys, we can say from F1 to F2, these are called as function keys. Now these one, which are we can say red in color. Okay, these keys here and this side also, these are called as number key because they contain numbers from 0 to 9. Now alphabet key, these key which are blue in color, okay, from A to Z, these keys are called as alphabet key because they contain we can say alphabets. Okay, now these yellow color keys, these are called as special keys. They are called as special keys because they are used for doing some specific or special work. Okay, now these keys, these four keys are called as cursor key. Why? Because they contain arrows. Okay, these are also called arrow keys. Okay, these contains cursor or arrow, so that's why they are called as cursor key. Now the next slide is, here we are going to study about alphabet key. Okay, now these are 26 key from A to Z, but they are not given in order. These alphabets key are not arranged in order in the computer. You can see na, Q, W, E, R. They are not arranged in the sequence. They are arranged randomly. You can type your name or any other word with the help of these key. If you want to type any of the word or sentence, etc., paragraph, you have to use these key. Okay, so for this purpose, these keys are used. Now next one is number key. These keys are used for typing numbers. These are called number keys. Okay, and these are marked from 0 to 9. This is very simple. You can see these keys on the top of a keyboard. Hai na? They are available in two sides. One at the top of the keyboard and one in the right hand side of the keyboard. Now the next one is function key. Okay, these keys are used for a special function. They are marked from F1 to F12. They are available on the topmost side of a keyboard and they are marked from F1 to F12. They are used for some we can say for performing many of the functions, just like for clearing the screen, for saving a particular file, है ना? For undoing the thing, and for closing the lock also, for closing computer, for locking computer. So for these types of function, these keys are used. They are placed on the top of the keyboard. Okay, now next one is cursor key. Yeah, this is the picture of cursor key. You can see four types of arrows are there. This is used for moving to the left hand side, this is for going to the upper area, and this is for the right side, and this is for moving downward. Okay, these keys are also called as arrow keys because they contain arrows. Four arrows are there na? These keys are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. Okay, these are used for moving the cursor of monitor on the cursor of mouse on the monitor. Okay, they are marked with arrows in four direction. Arrow keys are right, this is you can say right, left, up and down. Okay, now this is the time to study about some of the special key. Okay, so the first one is caps lock key. This is the picture of caps lock key. Okay, this key is used to type the letter in capital. If you want to type your letters, your word in capital format, है ना? So then you have to use this key, caps lock key. This key is placed on the left side of the keyboard. You can see this key on the left side of keyboard, है ना? When you press this key na, a small light will be light up on the right hand side, right top of the keyboard. You can see if you press this particular key. by pressing it once again na, you can switch off that particular light. Okay. Next one is space bar key. This is the longest key on the keyboard. The longest key on the keyboard is called as space bar key. It is used to insert blank space anywhere in the text. If we want to type any of the text, then it is compulsory for us to provide a space between two words, we can say. So for that particular purpose, this key is used. Okay. Next one is enter key. This key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. If you want to bring the cursor to the next line, and then for that purpose you have to use this enter key. Okay. A keyboard has two enter key. Okay. A keyboard has two enter key. One we can say on the right hand side of alphabetic key, and one on the right hand side of number keys. Okay. So there are two enter key available on our keyboard. Now our next is backspace key. As you can see here, this is the backspace key. This key is used to erase the letter typed on the left of the cursor. This point is to be noted very carefully because this key is used for erasing the letter which is on the left of the cursor. Okay. Whichever character is printed on the left of the cursor is deleted, is erased with the help of backspace key. Now, the another key is delete key. The working of backspace key and delete key is somehow similar, but the only difference is, see here, the delete key is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. With the help of delete key, you can erase the character on the right hand side of the cursor, and with the help of backspace key, you can erase the letter on the left hand side of the cursor. Understood? So, now the next one is mouse. This is also an input device, है ना? And it is also called as a pointing device. A mouse is a pointing device because it is used to point anything on the monitor. Just like I am pointing, na? Just like I am pointing this mouse. In this way, you can point anything on the computer. It is used to point and select items on the computer screen. With the help of this cursor, with the help of this mouse, you can select anything from the screen. It helps us to draw pictures and for playing games. With the help of mouse cursor, you can easily draw freehand drawing in MS Paint also. So for this purpose also you can use mouse. For playing many of the games also you can use mouse in your computer. Now this is the slide for understanding the types of computer mouses. Okay, so there are three types of mouses. They are explained here briefly. Okay, so the first one is scroll mouse. These are the picture of these three types of mouses. Okay, this is scroll mouse, this one is optical mouse, and the last one is wireless mouse. So let's study about them. A mouse has right and left button with a scroll wheel at the center. You can see this side, this is called as left button, and this is called as right button. Okay, so a mouse has right and left button with a scroll wheel. Okay, in scroll mouse you can see a wheel will be there, okay, at the top, which is used for controlling the pointer on the screen, which is used for controlling the cursor or pointer on the screen. Now the next one is optical mouse. It uses light instead of ball for controlling the pointer on the screen. This mouse is also similar to this one, but the only difference is that this type of mouses don't have that scroll ball, we can say. They use light instead of that scroll ball. Okay, so in this way they are different from the scroll mouse. Now the last one is wireless mouse. This is the picture of wireless mouse. This mouse does not have wire and works like an optical mouse. The working of this mouse is totally similar to this one. Okay, optical mouse, but the only difference is that optical mouse have wire, but the wireless mouse don't have wire. So they are, in this way they are different from optical mouse. Now our next slide is mouse action. Okay, there are 4 types of action of a mouse, and these are, first one is pointing, next is clicking, and clicking are of 2 types, left click and right click. Now next one is double clicking, and the last is drag and drop. We are going to study these 4 action, okay, with the help of practical. See here, we are going to see about it here. Okay, this is the cursor. This is the cursor of mouse. The 4 type of actions are that we had studied through the slides are, the first one is pointing, है ना? So with the help of this you can point easily, है ना? Just I am pointing, just like I am pointing this, है ना? So in this way you can easily point any of the icon on the screen. Okay, just like this. The next type of action of a mouse is clicking. है ना? We had studied about pointing. This is called as pointing. Just we are pointing to the various icons of the screen. Okay. Next one is clicking. With the help of clicking, just like this, I am clicking this slide. Okay. So in this way, if I double click here, we can easily open that particular icon. So in this way, clicking work. Clicking are of two types. The first one is left click. If I click left now, then that particular icon will be selected. Okay. And the next type of action is right click. The next type is right click. Okay. Just like this. I'm clicking right button of my mouse. In this way, a window will be appear here. Okay. So this is used for selecting some of the various function of a computer. Okay. Now the next action of our mouse is double clicking. Just like this. If I click two times at a particular, we can say slide, then that particular slide will be open. In this way, we can also perform this action. And the last one is drag and drop. Drag and drop is like that. If you have to move one slide from one place to another, one icon, okay? If you have to move any icon, then you have to use drag and drop. To move an item from one place to another on the monitor, when you move an item holding the left button, you have to hold it with the left button, okay? Then press it, then pressing is called dragging, and then release the button is called as dropping, okay? So this is the, so we can say these are the various action of a mouse. So I think you had studied about it, okay? So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.